What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here with the Isinwheel. Going to be taking it on a full range test out here on the beautiful Alcoa Greenway. I'm going to be making a couple stops along the way. Going to be grabbing a bite for lunch. Going to be finishing up with my final thoughts. Come on along for the ride. Alright, so today, everybody, we're out here on the Isinwheel GT2 doing a range test out here in Alcoa, Tennessee. Chose this greenway for a couple reasons. It's nice and smooth, level ground, goes for miles and miles, and the Isinwheel's been needing a good range test on it. It needed to be pushed its capabilities. It's never let me down before. It's been a solid scooter ever since I bought it. This being my first scooter, I was really hesitant, didn't know what I was getting into. Been pleasantly surprised. This thing has not let me down. It's been a great scooter all around, and finally going to get out here and test its full-on capabilities to see just how far we can push it. So let's go. Alright guys, let's start this ride off. Let's see where the day takes us. Looks like we ain't going to be the only ones out here enjoying the greenway. Oh yeah, it's nice, just cruising along. I don't know how well the sound's going to pick up with this microphone, but we're going to try it. It's hella windy today. Bear with me, I guess. Really nice day out here. Cruising, having a good time right now. Alright guys, so here we go, 5 mile check-in, 134 miles, 50 volts, and we are rocking it. 5 miles in, let's go. This thing really does amazing at eating up the little bumps in the road. The dual suspension does a really good job. The pneumatic tires really help absorb all the bumps as well. Down to where the water is. That's a nice little section down here where the water gets to. Hauling ass. Probably conserve some of this juice. Put it back down in the tube. Alright, we're going to make a right up here. Check out this corporate loop we never got to finish off. Last time I was out here. Should we just chuck it in the water? Just be done with it? Like, no. It's too good of a scooter for that nonsense. Look at this spot right here. I don't know what that pedestrian bridge or something looks like over there. Where are we at on miles? Okay, so just at 7 miles right now. 7, 8-ish. I don't know, something like that. Gives me those bad vibes coming over here where the awesome leopard died on me. It's like, oh God, don't let history repeat itself. Bridge right here. Yeah. Over here. There's that pedestrian bridge. Oh, I know where I am. Okay. Let's go find out where this side goes. Going a little off the path here. Checking out some extra scenery. Where's this go? My inquisitive nature wants to know. Exploring. What is down this way? Down there. I don't know. End of the bike path. Okay. Looks like this dumps you out here in a neighborhood. Go check this other direction. Yeah, that was a nice little wheelie. Damn, Alcoa, you got a lot of greenways. I didn't know about all this. Alright. Interesting. Oh, okay. Little bridge spot. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. I'll go down this way a little bit. I'm probably gonna go back the other way. I don't know where this is going, but this all looks like a very new greenway. You really can just get all over the place in Maryville on these greenways. I don't know where the hell this is. Alright guys, so mileage update. We've gone 10 miles so far. The Isinwheel is still sitting at 47 volts. We're doing very good so far. We're going to keep on cruising. It's a nice little new stretch of greenway. And this wheel just shreds it like it's nothing. Plenty of power. Lots of range, man. I've been going and going and going on this thing. It's only down like 2 bars. Possibly keeping it in 2. I'm sure that helps. So I can go a lot faster on it. I'll show you. There you go, there's 3. Let's see what we got on the straightaway. Okay, now we're up to full speed, about 28 miles an hour through here. That's fast, it's zippy. Alright, that's enough. The bikers looked at me like I was crazy. Like, what the hell are you doing back here on this thing? I don't know, just enjoying the day, I guess. Cruising along, cruising along. A really nice day to be out here too. It's really nice. Oh yeah. I don't know how much riding I'm gonna get done because the battery on the GoPro is getting a little low. And I've already swapped it out to my better battery. A lot of electric bikes out here today. That's good. Got an electrical revolution going on here. I can't see nothing on my fucking dash. One of my biggest complaints about this Isinwheel is that little plastic on the dash. It's got all, I don't know, weird, bubbly, I don't know what you'd call it. Not normal. I think my GoPro battery is going to run out before the Isinwheel's battery. Corporate loop's taking some time. Corporate loop's been nice there. All right. Alright, now we're back out here. Yeah, another update when we get out to, I want to say out to where the park is. Yeah, once we get out to the park, I'll give you another mileage update. Because I'll be honest with you, I don't know how far we're going to make it on the battery. The battery on the GoPro, not this wheel. I mean, this wheel's going down a good bit in some battery life now. But I think we're getting kind of close to that dog park. And then there's in the Centennial Park. It's a beautiful greenway. It's just beautiful. Such nice sights to see. Nice. pulling into the park. Bicentennial Park, I believe is what it's called. Look at the old mappy here, see where we gotta go. Alright guys, quick update on the Isinwheel GT2. We've gone about 14 miles so far. I think the battery gauge is still holding up pretty good, still showing at 46 volts. Now we're going to cruise on down a little bit further on the greenway, put a little bit more miles in, and we're going to come on down, we're going to grab some lunch, I'm going to head back for the final thoughts. So I'm actually going to wrap this episode up right here. Right after I pulled out of the park, my GoPro batteries actually died, and then about 5 miles later, the scooter batteries were dead as well. The trip across the pedestrian bridge sealed my faith on this one. However, I'll be back with more adventures sure to come in the future, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks.